and welcome to tonight's video. As you can see, we have a reasonably big mess test set up. It's a lot of dog hair and a lot of dirt. Our dog goes out in the field we rent for our horses and brings half the field back with him. So on regular vacuuming, I pick up a lot of dirt. Now what you see there, it might not look big, but it is a combined bins of a older shark, the Dual Clean shark, and a DC01. Two of the bins were absolutely full and the Dual Clean was half full. As you can see, there's a beautiful looking junior sat in front of it, ready for the task. I adore this junior. I adored it from the moment I saw a photograph of it. I think it was the bag, which you can just see in the video. If you can't tell, I'm a bit tired and I've been under the weather, so I haven't been able to play with my Hoovers as much as I'd like, but I'd said I was going to do this mess test to Hoover Lux, aka Dorian, and I really wanted to do it to let him see just how good this little junior is. Now this little junior was a wonderful gift from Sam. Now Sam is my vacuum / Hoover guru. He puts up with so many silly questions from me, and as I got started within the hobby, he's been amazing. He's answered everything, he's given advice. He's just a very wonderful guy and he does amazing refurbishments. Now he does have his own channel on here and it is Becco 1987. Now I have name checked him in the past and I've always said Beko, because it's BEKO, and listening to a video the other day where it was a live from Hoover Lux with both Dorian and Sam on it, and I learned I'd been saying it wrong all along, so sorry about that, but please do check him out. Becco 1987, great resources, good videos to watch, and the same goes for Dorian, who is Hoover Lux. His name has recently extended, but I can't quite recall all of it. I think it's Hoover Lux Restoration and something else. But anyway, search on Hoover Lux, you'll get him. With that being said, I think we should see if this little lady Hoover is up for showing us how good she is. Now, let me bring her over. The mess test you see before you has, with similar amounts, stumped other machines. Other machines have clogged, and Oreck nearly went on fire, and as much as it probably doesn't look a lot on the video, but those are very big tufty piles of hair, about maybe an inch or two high in places, so this is not an easy test. I actually might be able to show you the height. I'll pause you and then show you and then pause and bring you back. So first pause. And now back to here, hopefully roughly the same sort of angle. Hopefully that showed just the height that this little junior will be dealing with. And all that being said, let's get going. What do you think of that? I always find it so impressive that it just ploughs through whatever it faces. Let me see. Let me pause so I can show the underside. Let's just lift you to let you see. Now, as you can see, there is some on the edges here that is caught that I'll have to clear out. That's to be expected. But on the whole, it's good. And that bit on the edge, normally I never see anything like that, but I actually saw it happen as I came back on the first stroke. It was grabbing tightly at what would be the next pass. So let me just clean that up and then we'll let it hoover up what had got stuck on the edge to edge. So another quick pause. So there we go, that's what was in the edge cleaning part. Fairly good going, to be honest. Like I say, I saw when it happened, but we'll let it get its glory back and eat that up. There we go. So a little reluctant on one bit, but that's how making videos goes. Maybe it's sad. Don't work with animals, children, or old Hoovers. But she done a grand job. Truly did. And I do love this machine in bits. I love using it. The power and ability and cleaning of it is just immense. Now, as is normal, what I like to do after a mess test is to use a machine with good deep cleaning ability, which also has a bin that can be checked. So for those uses, as is normal, I'll be using my sharp. Ignore the sounds of a lot of shuffling about. I am in a small room. Here she is. The Geoclean shark. Let me get you a better angle. Let me pause and get you a better angle. There we go. Now, as you should be able to see, the bin in this is empty. Bit dusty, but empty. And we will give a number of passes across. Sorry, just a quick wipe of the Junior. Number of passes is, I don't know, 5, 6, depending if we're bored doing. Remember folks, this is not scientific, this is just for fun. So what we're seeing now is, did the Junior pick up everything that was there? Now I should make a note that I spread the dirt around as equally as I could using my magic stick. The tools of the trade. So that is my magic stick. I believe it might be something to do with playing pool or snooker, as it says world champion on it. I believe it was probably my dad's. And who would have thought a broken tool, which is this, is so useful. So the back works well just to push the dirt into the fibres of the carpet. I'm sorry, as I said, tired and under the weather. So like that, just pushing it in. And where dirt maybe escapes over the side due to it, using the other side, which is essentially a scoop, puts it all back. So there you go, information you didn't need to know, but now you do. But let's go on with the shark. As you can maybe hear, the shark sound a bit rough there. I could probably do with a bit of TLC. But let's have a look. We've not got much, I have to say. That's it. And some of the small amounts of dirt might have been what was already coating the shark. But as you can see there, that's not much, and considering I spent a significant amount of time forcing it into the carpet, that's all it missed. I'm pretty impressed. And just for general amusement / information, if you skip back and look at the carpet before the shark went over it, I would guess you would have said that was a clean carpet. You just watched the junior do all its amazing work and leave carpet lines, and you'd probably have walked away saying, well, that's it, the carpet's clean. But then you look there, now that is not a lot, and obviously this is not a situation that will happen in a household unless you're grooming your dog that is shedding hair like mine. And you probably wouldn't have the dirt ground in to make it extra hard. But as an example, it goes to show the difference of when there is dirt still on the carpet, that you often can't tell. Now, I'm hugely passionate about deep cleaning carpet, and by that I generally mean a lot of passes over the same spot. And it can be tedious. I love it, but you really see the dirt that comes out, and it's very impressive to find out what's still there after a general clean. For any subscribers out there who don't test their carpets, if you have multiple cleaners, try it. Or empty the bin and go over it again. Because you might be surprised what's left after a quick whiz around. And certainly at that point, if you're disturbed by it, it's maybe time to either spend more time per area or invest in a deeper cleaner, or a higher end vacuum cleaner, such as a Miele, sorry. As I say, I'm generally quite ill and tired. Or a Sebo, and a Sebo who have just brought out their new machine, which I would love to have, but that's the machine to get. Forget sharks, the new Sebo, that's where it's at. But anyway, I will vacuum that back up with the shark, and it can be used for the next mess test, so we'll just do that. I am also semi-tempted to do a mess test where I do the same as I've done today, but after I've went over with the shark, I go over with another machine. But I don't really have another machine that I reckon would beat the shark and that I could show what it picked up, unless I put a fresh bag into, say, a Sebo or a Kirby and saw if they picked up more than what the shark is doing, and I suspect that they would, but that's a video for another day. thank you for watching. I've hoped you enjoyed as much as I've mispronounced words, missaid words. Generally rabbited on, or being really under the weather. Oh, had a bug for 4 weeks. It is not for shifting, and it is ruining all of my vacuum plans, which are just like teasing me as the DC07 sat next to me. The good one that I need to strip down and get washed and get ready for being combined with the brittle DC07. However, that's for another day. I don't really want to do a huge sort of vlog on this. I will say keep an eye out come Christmas. My aim is a video every single day. It's like the Hoover herd advent calendar. I have no idea what I'm doing every day, but you're most welcome to join me. If you like the sound of that, or even if you just enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. If you like the video, please hit like. And if you'd like to be notified as soon as my videos go live, please hit the bell and you will get a notification. Thank you for watching. As always, I appreciate and I'm grateful for any comments that you want to make. Suggestions, chit chat, what's your favourite Hoover? Go for it. And with that, it is about 5 AM and bedtime. Take care everyone. Bye.